Hi, I'm Chloe. I'm here to teach you about all of the things in my first aid kit. And today we're gonna learn about the Band-Aid. So I'm gonna open it and grab the Band-Aids. So these Band-Aids, I actually really like them. So first you wipe the wound with soap and water. So that's how you do it with these Band-Aids. That's the first thing you do. The second step is you dry your wound by patting it with a dry, clean cloth. Step 3 is make sure your hands are clean before you handle the Band-Aid. Okay. Number 4 is peel off the back of the sticky part of the Band-Aid. Number 5 is put on the Band-Aid on the wound carefully and make sure you cover it all the way. Number 6 is press on the edges to make sure the sticky part is secure. Number 7 is make sure you don't stretch too much so that it doesn't pull your skin and hurt. Now it's number 8. So check the Band-Aid to make sure it's sticky, like it's staying on. And if it gets wet, replace it. Check the wound for infection and change the Band-Aid if need to. And see you next time.